Experiencing issues with the fart button in your Tesla app? You're not alone. This video will guide you through troubleshooting the Toybox and emissions mode. First, try the quick fixes. Ensure your Tesla software and app are updated. Force close and reopen the Tesla app. Reboot your Tesla by holding down both scroll wheels until the screen goes black and the Tesla symbol appears. Make sure your phone is connected to a stable Wi-Fi or cellular connection. The fart button is part of Tesla's Toybox, a hidden menu with fun Easter eggs. Emissions mode humorously uses fart sounds for the horn. This isn't an official feature, making it prone to glitches. The Toybox contains unofficial games, sounds, and modes like camp mode or fart mode, accessible via specific button sequences. The fart button specifically refers to enabling a mode where the horn plays randomized fart noises, often triggered by holding the horn icon in the app or on the touchscreen. Tesla released Software Update 2025.48 in October 2025, aiming to improve vehicle systems and Easter egg stability. However, this update inadvertently affected several hidden features. The update broke several Toybox features, including the fart mode activation sequence. Users found that holding the horn button no longer triggered the mode in vehicles running this software. Additionally, the app's integration with Toybox was impacted. The app's controls section failed to sync properly with the car's hidden menus, preventing access to these features through the mobile app. The Tesla mobile app on both iOS and Android has received numerous complaints about Toybox features, including the fart button not responding properly. These app-specific bugs often stem from cache data conflicts or synchronization issues. A common workaround is to clear the app cache in your phone's settings. This removes temporary data that might be causing the glitches. Navigate to your phone's settings, find the app section, and select the Tesla app. Then choose the option to clear cache. This often resolves the Toybox unresponsiveness. Some users report success after performing a factory reset on the app's cache. This is more thorough than just clearing cache and can reset app permissions. If the fart button specifically doesn't work, try force closing the Tesla app completely and reopening it. This refreshes the app's connection to the vehicle's systems. Unfortunately, as of late 2025, there is no permanent fix for these app-specific bugs. Tesla has not released an official update to address Toybox issues, so these workarounds remain the best temporary solutions. In regions like Europe and Asia, stricter emission regulations can disable the fart mode by default in Tesla app settings. This is due to noise pollution laws and environmental standards that restrict vehicle sound modifications. The Tesla app depends on geolocation to determine which features to enable or disable. To work around this, some users connect via VPN to a US-based server, where the fart mode is more accessible. This exposes how the app checks your location to control feature availability. To implement this workaround, users enable a VPN app on their smartphone and connect to a server located in the United States. This makes the Tesla app believe the user is accessing it from the US, where regional restrictions don't apply. This VPN solution effectively bypasses the geolocation-based restrictions, allowing access to features like fart mode that are otherwise disabled in certain regions due to local regulations. For deeper troubleshooting, start by enabling developer mode in your Tesla. This unlocks hidden settings that can help resolve app and Toybox issues. Simply tap the Tesla T logo on your vehicle's touchscreen 5 times quickly. If the developer mode doesn't resolve the problem, proceed to reset the infotainment system. This clears any temporary software glitches that might be interfering with the fart mode or other Toybox features. Sometimes, other active Toybox features can interfere with the emissions mode. Check your vehicle's Toybox menu for any enabled games or modes that might be conflicting and disable them temporarily. If that doesn't work, you can try resetting the infotainment system again. Finally, remember to be cautious when modifying Tesla software. These troubleshooting steps are safe, but any unofficial changes could void your warranty. Always prioritize your vehicle's official features and contact Tesla support for persistent issues. Tesla might be shifting away from unofficial Easter eggs towards more user-friendly, official features. Experts predict the fart mode could be officially deprecated, replaced by customizable sound packs in the app. Tesla's 2025 annual report mentioned expanding entertainment features for vehicles, potentially including app-controlled Easter eggs. Online forums like Tesla Motors Club and Reddit's r/Tesla are valuable resources for troubleshooting the fart button issue. Many users share their experiences and step-by-step fixes, from simple reboots to more advanced VPN workarounds for regional restrictions. For example, one Reddit user reported success after clearing app cache, while a Teslarati investigation found VPN solutions helpful in Europe. The community even explores creative hacks like app API modifications. Remember to consult official Tesla support if these community solutions don't work, as they can provide the most reliable assistance. While the fart button may be glitchy due to software updates, the Tesla community continues to innovate and find creative workarounds, making the ownership experience more enjoyable.